Hey everyone, welcome back to New Brand Car, where we dive deep into the latest in the automotive world. Today we're looking at something special, the 2025 BMW M4. If you're a fan of high-performance cars, BMW's M series is probably no stranger to you, and this year's M4 has raised the stakes in some impressive ways. Let's get right into what makes this model stand out. First up, the design. The 2025 M4 has taken a sleek, modern approach, blending aggressive lines with aerodynamic precision. At first glance, you can tell this car is built for speed and style. BMW has refined its iconic kidney grille, giving it a slightly more compact look compared to the previous generation. Love it or hate it, the grille definitely makes a statement. Paired with laser headlights and a low stance, the M4 demands attention from every angle. Under the hood, BMW didn't hold back. The 2025 M4 comes equipped with a 3.0-liter, twin-turbo inline-six engine. Now this beast delivers a whopping 503 horsepower and 479 lb-ft torque in the competition variant. For context, that means the M4 can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. Imagine feeling that kind of power on an open road. BMW has also fine-tuned the exhaust to give you a rich, throaty roar every time you hit the accelerator. It's a reminder of why we love cars like these, power you can hear and feel. Performance-wise, the new M4 offers both rear-wheel drive and xDrive, BMW's all-wheel drive system. The xDrive provides added grip and stability, especially in corners or on slippery surfaces, making it a perfect fit for both track enthusiasts and daily drivers who want that extra level of control. And if you're the kind of driver who prefers a more purist approach, the rear-wheel drive option gives you a classic, more raw BMW experience. The choice is yours, and that flexibility is something we love to see in modern performance cars. Inside the cabin, BMW has gone all out to balance sportness with luxury. The seats, crafted with premium materials, hug you in all the right places. The driver-focused cockpit has a high-tech, minimalist feel, with a curved 14.9-inch infotainment screen that seamlessly merges with a digital instrument cluster. The iDrive 8 system is on board, giving you intuitive control over everything from navigation to sound settings. BMW's made sure that even though you're in a high-performance machine, you still have all the comforts you could want at your fingertips. Another cool feature is the mDrive Professional, which lets you track your driving stats in real time. Whether it's lap times, G-forces, or shift timing, it's like having a personal coach riding along with you. For track days, it's perfect, but it's also a fun way to elevate your everyday drive. One thing to note is BMW's commitment to integrating new tech without sacrificing the M4's core driving experience. With advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping, the M4 offers a helping hand when you need it but lets you take full control when you want to feel the road. It's clear BMW wants to bring the best of both worlds, modern tech and pure driving pleasure. So, in summary, the 2025 BMW M4 blends power, precision, and tech in a way that makes it a standout in its class. If you're someone who loves high-performance driving but doesn't want to compromise on style and comfort, this car is a must-see. Thanks for tuning in to New Brand Car. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Let us know in the comments, would you take the M4 competition on the track or keep it as a street machine? See you next time.